Alright, so what are we doing today? Well, what we're not doing today is working on the bus. We're taking a little break. We come out to, I guess, kind of try the bus out a little bit. As you can see, we got our chairs set out. We got the bus up here at the Knott County Trail Ride. I'll try to go slow so you can see. No, there's nobody up here right now. But a lot of times this whole area is full of four-wheelers and motorcycles and dirt bikes, whatever, you know, go-karts, riding on these little trails. These are not like the main trails. These are just the trails that you get on to get to the trails. There are some pretty good trails down that way and back up that way. This used to be a coal mine, and it was a surface mine where they strip the surface of the land and get the coal out, and usually they leave it about like this, which really, it makes a pretty nice place to get some use out of it. I mean, they got the coal out of it, so might as well get some kind of use out of it. But we're just gonna hang around out here a little bit. I'm gonna cook a little bit of something to eat, some fajitas, and just kind of hang around with us and see what we do here. All right, need some stuff out of the fridge. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to make some pretty simple fajitas. Got some pepper stir fry, fajita chicken breast strips, some of these tortillas, cheese, and salsa. And I'm just going to start putting stuff in. We got the fajitas, or the fajita meat, just chicken breast strips. We eat this pretty often, actually. Well, it don't take long to make, and it's pretty good. And the pepper stir fry. All right, now what you want to do, as if I sound like I know what I'm talking about, what you want to do is wait till your onions are soft, they're not crunchy, and peppers, and basically this chicken, all you really have to do is heat it all the way through, and it's heated. Then I'm going to take a couple of these and go ahead and turn off the vegetables. They're done. Take that, put it in there for just a little bit, just enough to get it warmed up. Alright, now that that's heated up, we'll take the fajita, a little bit of chicken, a little bit of these, and go ahead and turn turn that off. Sprinkle of cheese on it. A little bit of salsa. And then you got to roll them up. Now I put too much in this one, so it's going to probably fall apart. So we're going to make a few more and we're going to eat. Thank y'all for joining us today. We're just going to kind of hang out here, eat some fajitas, and enjoy our day. First day that it's not been like 20 degrees or something. It's like 60 out here. I'm not complaining at all. I'm loving it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.